Hello, everybody. Welcome to RTP Regional Real Estate Report, Episode 3. Do you think it's timing now to sell or buy houses in Fuquay, Varina? Do you know how fast houses are sold in Fuquay, Varina? This is Varina1, your trustable real estate agent in RTP area in North Carolina, and from On the Move team brokered by eXp Realty. So this is what we are going to talk about today. This is where Fuquay Varina is at a very similar distance from downtown Raleigh as Durham is. We are going to talk about Fuquay Varina City, which is kind of discontinuous, mainly including the populous areas. Unlike Cary, Durham, or Chapel Hill. To understand the real estate market in Fuquay Varina, I try to find some references. So I took the entire triangle MLS, Fuquay Varina, Durham, which I mentioned before, is at similar distance from downtown Raleigh as Fuquay Varina is, and Sanford, which is further. Here is Sanford. And you may have noticed I talk a lot about history because history reflects development profile, which help us to understand the trend. Therefore, today we are going to talk about the changes in these 4 regions since 2013 to 2023, about 10-year time span. And the property we cover in this video include all price ranges, all property types, and all construction types. I checked these indicators: new listings, homes for sale, days on market, month supply, sales price, and price per square foot. So firstly, let's talk about new listings. You can see 2 pictures here. The first one with 4 lines, which refers to 4 regions. Yellow one, entire MLS. The green one, Fuquay Varina. The blue one, Sanford. And the purple one, Durham. Yes, you are correct. We cannot even tell the difference between Sanford and Fuquay Varina because the numbers differ too much among these 4 regions. So I removed the entire MLS and got the second picture. We just have Fuquay Varina, the orange line, Durham, the green one, and Sanford here. So put them together, we can see the new listing number fluctuate around the year and keep almost the same profile within the last 10 years, especially for the entire MLS and Durham City. But for Fuquay Varina, we can see from here, actually it's growing a little bit. And in November 2023, for the entire MLS, the new listings are 2,918. For Fuquay Varina, the new listings are 72. For Sanford, is 52, and for Durham is 232. As for homes for sale, the same, we see two pictures here. The first one with 4 regions. The second one with 3 regions for the same reason. Compared with 2 pictures, we can see the 4 regions actually have similar profile. The homes for sale decrease all the time, and all of them went down to the bottom in about 2021 to 2022, from here to here, and then went up and fluctuate. In November 2023, home for sale in the entire MLS is 7,744. Homes for sale in the entire MLS is 7,744. In Fuquay, Varina, it is 242. In Sanford, is 186. And in Durham, is 555. Days on market. We have 2 pictures here too, but for different reasons. This picture is the median days on market for these 4 regions. And this picture is the average days on market for these 4 regions. Put them together, we can see no matter median days on market or average days on market, the entire MLS, Fuquay, Varina, Sanford, and Durham have had almost the same trend, the same changes. Sanford was slow before like 2019 or 2019, but after it has almost the same days on market numbers. So in November 2023, the median days on market for the entire MLS is 5 days. For Fuquay, Varina, the median days on market is 0. For Sanford, the median days on market is 7. For Durham, the median days on market is 6. As for the average days on market, for the entire MLS, it is 18. For Fuquay, Varina, it's 12. For Sanford, it is 17. For Durham, it's 20 in November 2023. But in general, days on market is getting shorter and shorter. Houses are sold faster and faster. Monthly supply is a critical index for inventory, as we said before. So during about 10 years, monthly supply in Fuquay, Varina, which is green here, has been always the same as the entire MLS, which is the orange line here, and very close to Durham too, the purple line. In November 2023, monthly supply in the entire MLS is 2.5. For Fuquay, Varina, it's 1.8. For Sanford, it's 3.8. And for Durham, is 1.8. Now let's talk about sales price. We see two pictures here. So the first one is the median sales price. The second one is average sales price. From these two pictures, we can see median sales price in Durham, the purple one, Fuquay Varina, the green line, and the entire MLS are very close for the last 10 years. And in Sanford, it is lower. In November 2023, the median sales price in the entire MLS is $399,900, 0.1% lower over last month. For Fuquay Varina, the median sales price is $455,940, 3.6% lower over last month. For Sanford, it's $291,840, decreased by 5.6% over last month. And for Durham, it's $421,165, increased 2.6% over last month. As for the average sales price, November 2023, the entire MLS, it is $486,683, increased 5.3% over last month. For Fuquay Varina, the average sales price is $496,751, increased by 4.8% over last month. For Sanford, it is $315,350, decreased by 1.4% over last month. For Durham, it is $516,229, increased 16.9% over last month. Sales price per square foot. We can see two pictures here too. So we have the median sales price over. So we have median price per square foot for these four regions. We have average price for square foot for these four regions. From these two pictures, we can see within the last 10 years, no matter it's median or average, price per square foot has been growing. And started fluctuating at the end of 2020, at the third quarter also in 2022. And during these 10 years, the median price per square foot in Fuquay Varina has been very close to that of the entire MLS and lower than Durham, higher than Sanford. In November 2023, the median price per square foot in the entire MLS is $209, increased by 2.5% over last month. For Fuquay Varina, it is $204, increased by 3% over last month. For Sanford, it is $184, increased by 17.9% over last month. And for Durham, it is $233, increased by 3.1% over last month. For the average price per square foot, similar, that in Fuquay Varina has been very similar or very close to that in the entire MLS, the lower than Durham and higher than Sanford. In November 2023, the average price per square foot in Fuquay Varina is $207, increased 1% over last month. The average price per square foot in Durham is $267, increased by 15.1% over last month. The average sale price per square foot in Sanford is $182, increased by 15.9% over last month. And the average price over square foot per square, and the average price per square foot in the entire MLS is $220, increased by 5.3%. Okay, so much for this time. Do you know days on market in Fuquay Varina is 0 days now? What does that mean? And we mentioned the median days on market is very different than the average days on market. Why? Can you tell me your answer? No matter you know the answer or not, please remember, if you are going to sell or buy a house in RTP area in North Carolina, please contact me, Varina1, by telephone number 984-710-6853. I and my team will do our best to defend your interest and achieve your goal. Thanks for watching. See you next time.